Hello, welcome to Learn Cape Verdean Creole with Carla. Today we're going to talk about family members in Cape Verdean Creole and we will be learning vocabularies about family members. Membro de família ou family members. Mãe or mama means mother or mommy, and then we have pai or papa, father or dad. Brother means irmão and sister means irmã. Filho fêmea means daughter. Filho macho means son. Tio means uncle. Tia means aunt. And prima or primo means cousin. Grandfather, we can say avô, papai, or dono. Okay? Elinha, papai, or elinha dono. Grandmother, we have avó, mamãe, or dona. Elinha dona, or elinha mamãe, or elinha avó. And then we have husband. Husband means marido, and wife means esposa or mulher. Elinha esposa, she is my wife. Exemplo de frases úteis que o pode usar para falar sobre boa família. Useful sentences that you can use to talk about your family. Que li em minha família. This is my family. Second one is minha mãe e minha pai moram na praia. My mother and my father live in praia. Terceiro, third one. Tenho irmão e dois irmãs. I have one brother and two sisters. And the last one, minha mamãe gosta de cachupa. My grandmother likes cachupa. Let's see if you remember. How do we say mother in Creole? Very good. If you said my or mama, I'm proud of you. And now, how do you say this is my family in Cape Verdean Creole? Very good. Que li em minha família. If you like the video, leave it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Don't forget to leave in the comment what is the topic that you would like to learn in the next video. And ciao!